Opening the Files app or any document reader to open the same document repeatedly can be frustrating and time-consuming. What if there was an easy way to create a shortcut for that specific document right on your home screen of your iPhone or iPad? Now this document will be one tap away. Let me show you how to use Apple's Shortcuts app for instant access. Let's get started. To add a document to your home screen, you're going to open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone or iPad. So I already have it set up to open here. And then you're going to tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. Down below where it says Search, go ahead and type in, we want to open a file, so that's what we're going to type in, open file. Once I see that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tap on that. And now we need to place the file in there. So to do that, we're going to tap on the file placeholder next to open. And we're going to locate the file or the document or whatever it is we, want to use. And you can do many things. It could be a PDF, a PowerPoint, a Word file, an Excel sheet, almost anything that you can think of. So I'm going to just tap on Downloads, and I'm just going to choose this PDF that I have here. So you'll see that it's placed inside of that file placeholder. And now we need to tap on the default app placeholder and choose an application that we want to open that file. So the Files app can open many different types of files. So that's what I'm going to choose. But maybe if you have an Excel sheet or a Keynote sheet, you want to use that particular app to open it. But in this case, we're going to use the Files app. So I'm going to find the Files app and I'm going to tap on that. And now you can see that we're going to use the Files app to open that specific document. But now we need to get that document onto the home screen. Well, the first thing I want to do is I want to test the document. So in the bottom right corner, you'll see a little play option, and that's going to run the shortcut. So I'm going to tap on that. And you'll see that it opens that file that we created. I'm going to tap on Done. So now we know that that file worked and it opened the shortcut, but we still haven't placed it on our home screen yet. So to do that, if you swipe halfway up the screen, you'll see the Shortcuts app opened. Go ahead and tap on that. So if the play option doesn't work for you, go back and review the steps that we just went over. But now I have my shortcut created. I know that it works. Now I want to name that shortcut. So to do that, I'm going to tap on the little down arrow next to Done, and I'm going to tap on Rename. Once I do that, I can give it a new name. So I'm just going to put in 10 tips. So I'll put in 10 tips and I'll say Done. And now the shortcut is ready to be added to the home screen. And to do that, I'm going to go ahead and tap on that down arrow one more time. And here it'll say Add to Home Screen. I'm going to go ahead and tap on Add to Home Screen. Now you have an option here. If I tap on this icon, I could take a photo and it would be the icon, or choose a photo or choose a file. I am just going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to tap on Add. Once I tap on Add, if I swipe up and come over to the home screen, you'll see the document or the file that I've just placed on my home screen, so that with one simple tap, I can open up any documents that I choose to. So let's come back into the Shortcuts app for a second. And let me say tap on Done because we're finished. We created that. You'll see that that shortcut appears here, and we know that it's called 10 tips. You could add many other documents to your home screen by just following those steps and naming them something different each time. Or if you wanted to, you could go back into that shortcut. If I tap on the little circle with 3 dots, I could come back into this shortcut and edit it. I could change the file and I could change how it's opened, and then I could rename it something else. So you could add a few different documents to your home screen if you wanted to, or you could change the file out if you wanted to. If you want to delete the shortcut from your home screen, all you need to do is push and hold on the shortcut. And remember that this really is just a bookmark to that particular file. And I could just go ahead and tap Delete Bookmark, and it will be removed from my home screen. If I wanted to delete the shortcut, I need to come back in to the Shortcuts app. And to delete a shortcut, you would just push and hold it. And once you do, you get that delete option, and you would tap on that and confirm you wanted to delete it. Or if you wanted, you could leave this shortcut here in case you wanted to come back in and put it back in your home screen. And to do that, you would just tap on the 3 dots. You would tap on the down arrow and then tap on Add to Home Screen, tap Add, and now it's back placed on your home screen. With the help of Apple's Shortcuts app, you can effortlessly create shortcuts to your frequently accessed documents, placing them conveniently on your home screen for easy one-tap access. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.